What's up, family? It's another beautiful day. Loving every minute of it. If you celebrate holidays, more power to you. I don't, because to me it's man-made and it's all for what they can say, financial purposes only. But to each his own. You do what makes you happy. For me, it's just another day. As long as above ground, give thanks and praises, and they keep it moving. But for those of you that live in the part of the states of the world, I'm going to put some clips here to show you exactly what is going on the earth on every day. And if it's not happening in your neck of the woods, give thanks and praises. But if it is, hey, I also give thanks and praises. What about that one? All right, folks, hang on. Let me put some clips on here, a couple of clips on here to show you exactly what's going on different parts of the world. Until then, peace out. One love.
Holy shit.
Look at all these
On Friday, December 23rd, ice storm in Seattle area leaves nearly 15,000 people without power, the vast majority of them residents of Pierce and Snohomish counties. The ice enveloped roads, sidewalks, trees, cars. A quarter-inch of frozen water ground the region to a halt. Roads and sidewalks, while much emptier than usual, were still scenes of mayhem. Some Seattle residents tried to brave the ice, and it resulted in chaotic results all over the city. Cars, even stationary ones, slid like spinning tops down Seattle's hilly streets. The roads were so slick that any hill or slight grade at all caused chaos. Most cars in Seattle have all-weather tires, but even winter tires with studs would not help much with this ice. Cars were losing control on every hill in Seattle. Some drivers were caught off guard and were driving at normal speeds when they hit a hill.
Way to go. That's the way to go.
Travelers should be aware that even though the thaw will really be on Saturday around the lowlands of western Washington, traveling into the mountains and east will be very difficult Saturday, and even into Christmas Day.
Another clip, folks. Another clip. Weather is bad all over the world. If it's not in your neck of the woods, give thanks and praises.
Severe weather is affecting Saudi Arabia. The streets of the Muslim holy city of Mecca were flooded today. The flooding is caused by heavy rains that have not stopped in the west of the country for several days. The National Weather Center on Thursday raised the alert level, announcing that thunderstorms, hail, and heavy rain will hit the city. The Holy City's Crisis and Disaster Management Center warned residents not to leave their homes unnecessarily. The Meteorological Center also warned of floods and thunderstorms in the province of Jeddah, north of Mecca. Dramatic images demonstrating the scale of the disaster.
Okay, folks, you get the picture. Okay, you get the picture. If it's not in your neck of the woods, give thanks and praises, because, hey, it's happening all over the world. Hang on, folks.
In the same area. Then they claimed the lives of 2 people and led to interruptions in the
This normally happens when you live close to the ocean. When you live close to the ocean, I mean, if you really think about it, this is nothing new because if you come from Brooklyn or New York State, this is normal for us because we're accustomed to seeing this. But now that you have everything on the media, or you can just record everything, is like a big deal. But if you're from New York City, this is nothing new. We're accustomed going through this, going to work. But hey, you know what it is? It is what it is. It's just now you have the media, social media, to show you as soon as things happen to post it here. But it's all good. To us, it's just another day dealing with the winter storms, bro. Winter storms. All right, hang on, folks. I'll keep it moving. But anyway, give thanks and praises all the time to your Creator, wherever you may conceive Him or her to be. And any day above ground is just a wonderful day. You can just enjoy the beautifulness of nature, whether it be snow, hurricanes, tornadoes, tidal wave. Just enjoy it. More blizzard, folks. Yeah, that I can recall walking through back in the day.
The large area of Canada was covered by a strong snowstorm. An unexpected winter storm stretches 3,000 kilometers and wreaks havoc from coast to coast. In Quebec, the storm on Friday left monstrous traces in its
Okay, family, you get the picture. Stay warm. Enjoy your so-called man-made holiday. But give thanks and praise to the Creator. I'm out of here. Peace out. One love.